Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design home care service website using WordPress. This is the part 2 of the video that we have actually started the design earlier. So that is why I have arrived here. So if you haven't watched the part 1, I want you to click the link in video description or the pinned comment to go and watch the part 1. Then you come back and finish up this part 2. So this is exactly the website that we are trying to recreate in this particular video. This is the preview of the website that we are going to create by the end of this video. So we started the video in the part 1. In the part 1, what we achieved in part 1 is we were able to install all the theme, the template, and the plugin necessary. But in this video, I will show how to reinstall the template again. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you get notified. When I drop another series, you also get notified. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So then, but before we proceed, if you need any website audit, security audit, and SEO audit, you can book a session. The link will be in the description. Then if you need a done for you service, the link will be in the description, where I will take charge of your website and design everything for you. So now I installed this particular template in the previous video, but I'm going to delete it now so that I will show you how to do what to reinstall this particular template. So now, but before then, you need to get this particular template so that you can install it together. But I want you to watch this video to the end. Even if you are not getting this particular template, I want you to watch this video to the end so that you tell me your view on how this website went, so I will know, so that maybe whenever you want to get this particular template, you can actually know what we did. So don't say that this particular template, I cannot get it now, let me drop off from this video. No, I want you to watch this video to the end. So for you to get this particular template, so you can go to this link. The link to this page will be in the description. It's just $9, $9.99, less than $10. So you can get it with GPay, or you can get it with pay with link. If you are from any country that doesn't accept GPay or link, you can use your credit card. You add it to cart. If you are using Apple devices, you can pay with Apple Pay. It will show in your screen. You click on add to device, add to cart. So once you add it to cart, now you click on proceed to checkout for you to continue this particular payment. So once you click on proceed to checkout, you come over here and enter your first name, last name, and your email address, and enter your card details over here. Once you enter your card details over here, then you click on buy now. The link, this particular template will be sent to your email and also downloaded to your device immediately. If you are in any country that you cannot pay with this particular process, you can always send me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp contact is in the description. Send me a WhatsApp message so that you can purchase it through WhatsApp. I'm always available for you. So now once you have gotten this particular template downloaded in your device, then it's time for installing. So I've already shown you the template we are going to use for installation. So the template we are going to use for installation is the plugin we are going to use for installation is the template kit import plugin. So for those of you that doesn't know, maybe you are just watching this video for the first time, I want you to understand this video. The plugins that we need is just you go into your plugin, you just install Elementor and install template kit import. Then you go to your theme and install come to appearance and come to theme. Then you come and install this particular Hello Elementor theme. So once you hover over tools, you come to template kit, then you can now proceed to installing this particular template. So we are going to click here, or you can click on this box to install this particular template. So if you didn't purchase this particular template, I want you to watch this video to the end. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to get this particular template for free. But it's for those that will watch this video to the end. So please do watch this video to the end. So now let's install this particular template. So you can see it is processing. So I've started the installation, so it's processing. So it won't take time, then it will pop up. So let's wait for installation. You can install as many templates as you want. You can have different templates for different, maybe you you want to have different templates, assuming I could have even added more templates, so you can see that you can have different templates over here. The only thing is that you are going to use only one for your design. So it's still loading. So I've installed it. So now it requires four installation requirement for it to be complete. So you click on install, then make sure you install all the required uh, plugin for this particular template to work. So I'm installing all of them. It doesn't take time. So once it's done, you click on close, then that warning will disappear. So now this is our template. Now everything has been imported successfully. So everything has been imported successfully. So what is the next thing we are going to do is you import this particular global style. You must import this. This is the first thing you need to do before you do anything. So once we are done, the next thing is we need to create our website header and footer. So for that, we are going to, let's check the plugin and see if we didn't install this particular plugin, Element Kit. We are going to install it manually. So it was able to install, so they need it. So you come over here, you click on header footer for Elements Kit. You click on it. If it show you any onboarding screen, please don't upgrade to premium. Just make sure you don't upgrade to premium. We are going to use the free version on this particular video, so don't upgrade to premium. So click on it. So this particular header footer that is here is the ones for my previous video. So if this so I'm going to trash it and recreate a new one. So I will trash it. So it's the header footer we created for my previous video. So I will trash it and we create a new one. So now what are you going to do? You click on add new template. We are creating header, so we name it header. You can name it anything, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is this type. Make sure you choose header, and the condition, make sure you choose an entire site. You click on activate, you save change. You can edit before saving, but in my own case I used to save changes, then come back and do what? Click on edit. So I'll click on edit here, then I will do what? Once I click on edit, I'll click on edit content. So it will now take me to Elementor dashboard for us to do what? Add the website header and footer. So the Elementor dashboard is loading, so you can see it. So for us to add the website header and footer, so once this page loads, the Elementor editor loads, so you click on this particular Elementor element icon. You're going to see this particular our template. You click on view installed kit, then you do what? You install the header. So this is the header, so you insert template, you click on it. So because we are working on the header, so you insert template. So now you can see the header has been inserted over here. You can see it. So the header is already inserted, so you can see the header. Then you do what? This particular place now is the menu section, so you choose any menu you created. So let's choose this particular menu, main menu. I think, let me check. So it is changing to a menu. So you just choose any menu that you have there. Let me choose this one. So this, you can see the menu. So that is the, so now here, now you change to your website logo. So you just click on choose image, then you can be able to select your business logo. So let's take for instance, these are images from my previous. So let's take for instance, I choose this as my logo, or let me say I choose this as my logo. So I click on select. So you can see now the logo has changed. Then I click on publish. So you add your logo there. You add your own logo. Then once you are done publishing, you go back. Then it's time for us to create the footer of this particular website. So for us to create the footer of this particular website, you click on add new template. You now go, you write footer. You can write it any name, but I usually use footer, so you can use any name. Then you click on footer, entire website. You click on save changes. Then once you are done saving the changes, so it's still loading. So once we are done creating the footer, then you click on edit for us to edit, then you click on edit content for us to edit it with Elementor, just like we did on the header. So then it is loading. So now you click on, once you are done, once you land on this particular Elementor page, the next thing you click on this particular Elementor element, then you click on view installed kit. Then we have to install the footer. Just insert template, so we now install the footer. So remember, you are going to customize the footer or header based on your website on the business branding. So now take for instance, you want to change this background color. You click on this particular box here, you come over here, click on style. Once you click on style, see the background color is green here, so you can change it to your brand color. So you can change it to your brand color. So let's say it's black, you can change it to brand color. Then you change this logo, you choose your own logo. So let's say I want to use the same logo, or let me say I want to use the same logo. So you change the logo. So here now you are going to click on this, you click here to link each of these particular, just display the root link, you add link to home page. You click on the second one, you add link to about page. So you are going to use the same way to link all these pages. So you have to create all these pages and import it. You can see that the templates have all these particular pages, so you create all these pages. So now you now link it over here. So now once you are done, you click on publish. You can link your social media, you click on any of them. Let's say Facebook, you click on Facebook, you add the Facebook link over here. You add Facebook link over here. You click on Twitter, X, you add the link over here. So your social media links, you add them, so you can see how that's how you can add them. Once you are done, you publish it. Then if you want to make any changes, you have to re-edit it again and add those links. So once you are done, you come back. So we are done editing, so we'll come back. So let's view our website and see how it looks. So we open the website in a new tab. So you can see the header and see the footer we just created right now. So it's time for us to now create the home page of this particular website. So you can see that everything we did took effort here now. So that is how you can create your header and the footer. So now let's go back to the site. So it's time for us to work on the home page. So in the previous video, we have already created all the pages, most of the pages. So but in this video, I'm going to work on only home page. Then you can now use the way I used in designing this home page to work on other pages. So make sure you create all the necessary pages that you need. So once you come here, you click on edit with Elementor. So create all the necessary pages that you need before coming over to so that now once you edit this particular home page, the next thing you are going to do is use this particular format and edit other pages and add other pages. So once you land here, you click on this particular icon, you click on view installed kit. Now you look for home. So see it here, you insert this particular template. So now when you go to your service page, you look for services and insert this. If you go to about us page, you insert this and customize it, change the text, change the colors based on your and images based on your website, what business. So when you go to let's say frequently asked question page, you put in your pricing page, should you insert this one just the way we are doing for this home page. So you get the idea. So if I'm to make a video on how to insert all these pages, this video is going to be very long, and that is not the aim of this video. So the aim of this video is to educate you and give you guideline on how you can create other pages. So the way you see me importing this particular home page is the way you are going to use to import other pages, exactly this way. So you can see now the home page has been imported. So you can see it now, everything has been imported in this particular home page. So now you can change anything you want here. So if you want to change this background image, you click on this particular box over here. Once you click on this particular container box over here, you come to style. Once you click on style, you are going to see the image. So let's click on style. It's still loading over here, that's why it's hanging. So style, you can see the image over here. So now let's assume we want to change the image. So now let's say I want to choose another image from my image gallery. So you get the idea of what I'm trying to say. So you choose any image that you want to be featured there. You choose the image you want to be featured over there. So you have made images for your own businesses, so you can actually change and edit anything you want. So now I want to have this particular image over there, so I will now click on it and insert it, select it. So select. So now you will see that the image have changed. So you can see that I have started recreating this particular website. I've started recreating it. So the text will appear once it loads. So you can see now. So you can now change this particular text. Just click on it and rewrite it over here. Care for you. So the care for you will appear. So you get this is how you can edit anything. Now if you want to edit when the thing appears, it will come with an effect just like what is happening here. So if you want to change that effect, you click on advanced. Once you click on this particular edit this particular box, you click on advanced, you click on motion effect. Then the motion effect is fading left. You can see it. Now you can choose fading up. You can see. So that's how you can add any motion effect on any of these. So here now you change here, you change this image. Just click on this box here. Once you click on this box, come to style, see the image, you can change it. The same thing, click on this box, come to style, you can see the image, you change the image. So that is how you can change the image. Now this partner section, you click on it, make sure that you have a uniform image logo of your partners so that you can add it. So here now you change it. If you don't have a uniform custom dimension for the images, it's not going to look professional. So make sure that you have uniform custom dimension for the logos of your partners. Then you add them over here. You change this particular one. Then anyone you don't want, you just click on delete, you delete it. So this is how you can change everything. So you can change this read more. You are going to add a link to a page for this particular. So you just copy the link and put here. You can change the text of this read more to learn more. So let's take, for instance, you want to use learn more. So you can say learn more. So you can see, so you can change everything. So once you are done changing everything, you do what? You click on publish, then your website is live. So now let's reload our home page, so you can see that our website will come live. So you can see now everything we did. So we have reloaded the home page, and you can see that everything we edited appeared just like we edited it. So you can see, so you can use this particular template to create any type of website that you want, literally any website. You can see it very, very professional looking. So this news session, once you continue publishing posts, it will continue appearing here. That is how this particular place will be designed. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and let me also know in the comment section if you are using this or if you are planning to use it. Let me know. If you are using template kit for importing of the designing of WordPress, let me know in the comment section. So then on this note, if you have found this video valuable and helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. So on this note, we are going to stop this video here, and I will see you on my next video.